Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change video background in CapCut without green screen. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just simply open up the CapCut application and tap on this new project. Then simply add your background video or photo you want to use as a background. I'm going to use this one here as you can see. Now you can tap on overlay to add an overlay here and simply add your main video you want to remove the background of. So I'm going to use this one here. Tap on this add and as you can see my video is added here. Now you have to select your video and scroll to the right. You will find this option remove BG. Just simply tap on this and tap on this auto removal. As you can see, the background of my video has been removed. Now you can place your video here like this, and now if you play your video, you will see this kind of results. So that's how you can remove the background of video in CapCut without green screen. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.